All right, folks, welcome to a market recap. Today, I didn't take any trades. Today, I was bearish and market never given a setup. So, the higher time frame, we had a weekly IRL to ERL, a weekly. At the moment, there's a weekly SMTC to the upside. If you go to the weekly time frame of the quality asset, pretty sure it should be, yep, we do have this weekly IRL to ERL with DXY, as well as a weekly seated upside. But that happened after my trading session ended. But at the moment during the trading session, I was bearish. We had a daily C to the downside, another daily CRT to the downside. Lower time frame for the market continuity, we had a New York reversal profile too. Value collection, non-name manipulation, one big expansion, as well as we had a daily range premium discount when premiums were sell off. We had a bearish order flow. The bullish order flow happens literally right now. This the bullish order flow just happened right now, but during that time I was trading, the market was in a bearish order flow. Right now, at the moment is in a bullish order flow. How come? That because there is a market close above the high, they broke the low, so now we're in a bullish order flow until further notice. So yeah, so we had ranges, range high, range low, and yeah, that's all we have for the market constant narrative. Not much. That was literally enough for us to take a trade. And our key level was just, first of all, was this. At first it was this Russian block, then it became the Basa liquidity. So yeah, go down to lower time frame. Before the 9 a.m. candle, we did have a setup, but the setup never had the right model number 1. But I can show you guys why that setup failed. Is from Romeo's, and this is my valid high, not valid high, valid low. This is the right model 1, right? In my eyes, whenever I don't get a right model 1, I usually want to see a reversal, meaning market disrespecting the model 1 and make a new high or old high, basically disrespecting the old high or old low, etc., etc. Let me go and get the post up from Romeo himself in 2022. This, I don't know, 2023, I'm pretty sure, like 2 years ago, right? And this rule still applies till this day, right? Candles or ranges broken truly, broken truly / broken falsely. Close above high / low equals continuation. Wick but no close equals retracement / reversal. So on this candle, we want to close below this low, which we didn't. We wicked it, but we didn't close below this low. So the market eventually did go below it, but this candle closure was I want to tell it if it's going to be, a wick or a full candle closure. In this case, did a wick, not a full candle closure. So market eventually reversed. So if you were to get short from there, you would have faced a loss. So yeah, that's all we had. And later on the day, I never had a setup. My time came in, the 11 a.m. came around, and before 11 a.m. I never had a setup, so I call it a day off. So yeah, this is the market recap. Not much happened here, and the lesson is, if I go post it back one more time, is close above a high equals continuation. So if you close below this low, fully candle below this low, we would have continued, but we had a wick but no close below this low equals retracement. You can see market retrace a little bit / reversal. See how the market reversed all the way back up higher here. So yeah, that's the market recap. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share. Quick little lesson on you guys, so you guys, you can ponder over it, which is basically that thing I just showed you guys that's the evident principle of ICT. It's not ICT, of Romeo. So if we have a full candle closure, then continuation. If we have a wick but no full candle closure below the low or high, a specific scenario it's been below the low, then we can either retrace back up higher, which you did, or reverse, which you did right over here. We fully reversed. Simply close below lower prices, close below the whole candle lower prices, not the body, the wick below the low or high. So low being the candle's wick, right? and close below low prices, close above higher prices. Wick below equals higher prices, which she did do higher prices from here on forward, because this is the candle what's going to determine the if-then principle. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share. Join us down below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. A quick little lesson, and yeah, see you guys later. Tomorrow, I'm looking for some sort of shirt. Right now, at the moment, we have a weekly SMT series to the downside with the quality asset, which is DXY and GU as well pulls it out. And on GU, we have a weekly IRL to ERL, right, all the way down here. On DXY, we have a weekly IRL to the weekly time frame here. It's kind of stagnated here. We have a weekly IRL back to ERL, and on and EU, we have a weekly IRL to ERL. So I want to see a huge dump in the near future. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell us down below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.